Ready? We're going to show everyone what we can do. Where's your head? Good job. Where's your nose? Good boy. Where's your ears? Good boy. Your eyes? Where are your eyes? Eyes. Eyes up here. Right here, here's your eyes. Where are your cheeks? Grab your cheeks. Where's your chin? Do you remember where your chin is? Daddy always points out your chin. Yeah, right there. Where's your belly? Where's your belly? Where are your feet? Yeah. Where are your legs? Good job. And your hands? Where are your hands? Your hand. Let me kiss your hand. Oh. Is that all? Where's your hair? Yeah, it's on your head. Good boy. I think that's it. You did so good. Yay!